Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, today we will discuss the chapter number 8 of English grammar, that is the adjective, kinds of adjective. Dear students, this topic you have already read in the previous classes in class 4, class 5, and now you have to read it in class 6 also. Okay students, so we will discuss the topic adjective. First of all, we will discuss the meaning of adjective. Dear students, you all know that what is adjective? What is an adjective? An adjective is a describing word that describes the quality of a noun or pronoun in a sentence. Okay students, so just open your notebook. We will start writing. Just put the heading adjective or definition of adjective. Okay, adjective. Just put the heading adjective. What is an adjective? Just put the heading adjective. Okay students, just write down the heading adjective. An adjective is a word. Write down an adjective. An adjective is a word. An adjective is a word which qualifies, which qualifies a noun or pronoun. A noun or pronoun in a sentence. Pronoun. N-O-U-N. Okay students, just see here. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word which qualifies a noun or pronoun. Okay, it tells the quality of a noun or pronoun in a sentence. Okay students, so just write down the example. You can see the example. It is an old building. First example we can see. It is an old building. It is an old building. B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G. Okay students, what is noun in this sentence? In this sentence, the noun is building. Okay, the word building is noun in this sentence. And what is the quality of that building? That is old. Therefore, the word old is an adjective because the word old describes the quality of the building. That what kind of building it is. Okay. So here the word old. Here the word old is a describing word. Okay students, and it is also used before the noun. Okay, as the definition says that an adjective is a word which qualifies a noun or pronoun in a sentence. Okay, in this sentence the word old is an adjective because it tells the quality of the building. Okay students, so just write this example. Okay, it is an old building. Come to the next, one more example you will see. Just see the another example. Sohan is a clever boy. Sohan is a clever boy. Okay students, in this sentence the word Sohan is noun and the word boy is also a noun, and here a describing word is clever. The word clever describes the quality of the boy. That what kind of boy? Okay, the boy is clever. Sohan is a clever boy. So here in this sentence, the word clever qualifies the noun boy. Okay, students? So in this way we have understood that what is an adjective. An adjective is a word which qualifies a noun or pronoun in a sentence. Okay, students, so just write down this definition with example. Okay, and after completing it, you will put the heading features of an adjective. Features of an adjective. What are the features of an adjective? And when do we use an adjective? Where do we use an adjective? Okay, students, now we will discuss the features of an adjective. Okay, students, so just write it, complete it. Then after we will discuss the features of an adjective. There are so many features. Okay, I'm going to erase it. I hope that you all have written. Therefore, just put the next heading, that is features of an adjective. Features of an adjective. Features, Feature. Features of adjective. Okay, students, there are so many features. We will discuss some important features. Yes, students, first feature is that we use the adjective just before the noun. Okay, students, just write down adjective. The first feature you will write, adjective can occur before nouns. Before noun. This is the first features. Okay, just see. Adjective can occurs before noun. Okay, just see the example. This is the first feature, and adjective can occurs before noun. We will discuss the example. Let's see. A weak stem. A weak stem. Yeah, that is noun. Stem is a noun. And just before the noun, I have told you in the first feature that adjective can occur before the nouns. Here you can see the word weak, that is an adjective, that is a describing word, and it is used just before the noun. Okay, students, so we can say that the first feature of an adjective is it is used, it can be used before a noun. Okay, one more example we can see, colorful flower. Another example, COLOUR, colorful flower, FLOWER. Okay, just see. What is noun in this sentence? That is noun. The flower, the word flower is noun. And what is describing word here? Colorful. Okay, and it is also used before the noun. Okay, students, so first feature says that an adjective generally occurs before the noun. Okay, so this is all about the first feature, and come to the second feature. You can write here second feature. What is second feature? Adjective can occurs after. Dear students, I am going to erase it, and I hope that you all have written. Another feature we will discuss, the feature number second. Just see, another feature, an adjective can occurs adjective can occur adjectives can occur after the verb, after the verb, verb, helping verb, you can say after the helping verb be. Okay, be, is, am, are, was, were, been. Okay students, we generally use the adjective just after the verb. Yes students, the second feature says that we use an adjective just after the verb. And what are they? The verb is be, is, am, are. Okay, was, were, been. Okay, so just see, we can see the example. The stem is weak. The stem is weak. Dear students, what is helping verb here? That is helping verb. And the rule says that, the feature says that, second feature says that we use the adjective just after the verb. And just after the verb we can get here the word weak is an adjective in this sentence, and it is also used just after the verb is. Okay, so here the word weak is what? Here the word weak is adjective, and it is used just after the verb. Come to the next, another example. Honey is sweet. Honey. Honey is sweet. Okay, sorry. Okay students, just see here, honey is sweet. Dear students, you can see here the word sweet denotes what? The word sweet is an adjective, and it is used just after the verb is. Okay students, so as in the first features we have seen that an adjective generally occurs just before the noun, and in the second feature we have seen that it is also used just after the verb. Okay, what are they? Is, am, are, be, was, were, and been. Okay students, so just write it, and now we will discuss the another feature. You write it, then after we will discuss the third feature. I'm going to erase it students. I hope that you all have written. Come to the next question. Question number next. Just see. What is the next feature? Most adjective can comes after the adverb. Most adjective can come after just see, most adjective can come after the adverb what? Very. Very. Okay students, most of the adjective comes just after the word very. Okay, we can see here example. Just see the example. Very good. We generally say very good. He is very good boy. Okay, good is what? Good is an adjective, but just before the adjective we have used the word very. Okay, just here most adjective can comes after the word, comes after the adverb very, and just after, you can see here, just after the word very we have used here an adjective. Okay students, so this is the feature very fair, V-E-R-Y, very, F-A-I-R. Okay, you can see here the word very is an adverb, and just after the adverb we are getting an adjective. Okay students, so this is all about the features of an adjective. The first feature says that an adjective generally occurs just before the noun. Second feature says that it generally occurs just after the verb, be, is, am, are, was, were, and will. Okay, and the third feature says that an adjective also occurs just after the adverb very. Okay, you can see here very good, very fair, okay, very serious. This is all about the features. Okay students, I hope that you all have understood the features of an adjective. Now we will discuss the kinds of adjective. Okay students, I hope that you all have completed it. Now put the heading kinds of an adjective. There are so many kinds of adjective, but you have to read 8 kinds of adjective which is given in your book. Okay students, so just put the heading kinds of adjective. Just put the heading kinds of adjective. Okay, just see kinds of adjective. Just put the heading kinds of adjective. Dear student, there are so many kinds, you write down in your book. It is also given kinds of adjective. Just see, first kind is adjective of quality. Just write down adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. Okay, another kind, second kind, you write down adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. Okay students, just write down. First of all, you will write the adjective of quality, second adjective of quantity, third adjective of number, adjective of number, and the fourth, that is what? Distributive adjective. Dear students, distributive adjective. D-I-S-T-R-I-B-U-T-I-V-E. Distributive adjective. And next kinds, that is demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective. Okay students, just write down These kinds are very very important. And after that, interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective. ADJECTIVE. Okay, interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective. 7, that is proper adjective. PROPER, proper adjective. ADJECTIVE, proper adjective. And the next is possessive adjective. Let's write down possessive. POSSESSIVE, possessive adjective. Okay students, this is all about the adjective which is given in your book. There are 8 kinds of adjective given in your book. You write it. Adjective of quality. You see, adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, distributive adjective, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, proper adjective, and possessive adjective. Okay students, so you write all these names, all these kinds of adjective in your notebook. In the next class we will discuss these kinds in detail. Okay students, so today we have read the definition of an adjective, features of an adjective, as well as the name, name of an adjective. Okay students, that's all for today. In the next class we will discuss the kinds of adjectives. Okay students, thank you.